verses 18 to 23. Sabay-sabay po natin, all together, we will read the text. Ready, begin.
Now the birth of Jesus Christ took place in this way, when his mother Mary had been brought to Jesus.
Before they came together, she was found to be with child from the Holy Spirit. And her husband Joseph, being just a man and unwilling to put her to shame, resolved to divorce. Now the birth. If you understand what's the real reason for this, isipin po, ikaw at ako, tayo na napakamakasalanan ng tao. At isipin mo kung sino yung pupunta dito para makasama. Ang Diyos na may gawa ng langit at lupa. Diyos na naggumawa sa iyo. Ang Diyos na alam ang patutunguhan mo. God knows you, who has created heaven and earth. Ika nga, there is this V